We've talked a lot about the Scrum team, the people who are developing the product. Documentation is only as important as the use the team can make of it. Within the team itself, it is necessary to have a product owner who helps execute the project vision, the Scrum Master who ensures that the Scrum standards are upheld and distractions are minimised, and a development team who build the product. Choosing the right Scrum Master will help to facilitate the success of the project. By following the 4 selection criteria, you can ensure that you make the right choice. The criteria are problem-solving skills, availability, commitment to the project, and a servant leadership style. The stakeholders aren't necessarily part of the team that develops the product, but they are a necessary part of the process. They can be both internal and external. Internal stakeholders are from within the company, such as the management who can share the company's expectations of the project with the team. External stakeholders are the customers and the users of the product. They determine if the product is going in the right direction. The project is only considered a success when the stakeholders are happy with the outcome.